Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Toyota Highlander Limited. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, and CD changer.